welcome to another episode of Plum's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making my Granny Shoulders lemon flan. If I'm talking a bit funny, it's because look, I've lost 2 teeth. It's my mom's first time pulling out my 2 teeth. Anyway, let's carry on. This is a quick and easy recipe. It uses 6 things. So we have my mom's favorite Nutticrust Biscuits, condensed milk, lemon juice, some milk, cream, melted butter, and remember we talked about the appliances. We're going to use this. So we have our spray tin and our packet to crack all of my mom's favorite biscuits. Don't worry, I'll show you that just now. Start adding your biscuits and then smash them up with the spray. And then you always need to save 1 or 2 for yourself. 1 for me. It's good. Guys, this is really cool. I feel like I'm hammering the deck and helping my dad. This looks about right. Now I'm going to add into my butter and give it a quick stir, and then add it to my dish. I just want to give you a quick tip. So when you put these in, don't push it so hard, otherwise when you try and get it out to taste it, it won't come out. I'm pouring it in, and I'm just going to push it down gently. Do. Our base is done. How quick was that? Guys, I'm going to pour the cream in, but you need to make sure while you're mixing this, it needs to be thick. That's what we're doing. Guys, look at that. I don't know how cream is so clever. We're going to pour this in now. Now you're going to add 20 squirts of lemon juice into your cream. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 19, 20. Then you're going to give it a gentle stir. This is going to be good, and it looks good. As you can see, I've just put a little bit of yellow food coloring. I know it looks like red, and now I'm just going to give it a little stir for the top. Can you believe that we are already done? I just need to pour this in, and then we don't put it in the microwave oven, so we just put it straight in the fridge. So that's it, guys. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Sweet. The lemon flan needs you chill in the fridge for about 2 hours. And thank you for the ones who are voting for me for the Spar Star. And I'm one of the winners. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please can you share this video to all of your friends. Thank you. We've just had hamburgers for dinner, so we're all quite full. And what's it called?
The lemon flan.
The lemon flan has been in the fridge for quite a long time. Now let's see what the judges think. Just serving everybody.
Looks quite nice, eh?
I didn't see that coming up.
What?
What? Can you please?
Oh, yeah.
It's really nice. It's really sour.
It is a bit sour, but it's really, really nice. Actually, it's got a nice zing to it, I was going to say.
Guys, I've changed my mind. I've come back for more. It's really, really good. Guys, if you like lemon... Guys, if you like lemons, please give this... Guys, if you like lemons, please give this a try. It didn't even take me 10 minutes. Please, can you send this to all of your friends so more and people can watch. Thank you for joining me on Plum's Kitchen. See you next time.
I think it was nice, though.
Mm.
Yeah, I thought it was good, and you know?
I like this part.
The crust.
This